Welcome to the 8th episode of our Northern Ontario Crownland Camping series. Please smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Also, a like really goes a long way towards helping us bring more of these videos. Leave a comment and let us know what you think. Now, grab yourself a cold one, sit back, and join us as we explore remote and isolated lakes and campsites.
By the stream over at the lake.
When you last saw us, we were climbing up a narrow track towards the high point of our adventure. With nothing but smooth track ahead, we thought the worst was now behind us. Oh, were we ever wrong. Keep watching and subscribe to find out why.
But you know, it comes with the adventure, right? You never know where you're gonna end up. So yeah, we'll keep going. Alright guys, so we got to tiny little bit of an obstacle, nothing crazy, just want to be careful. The trail's a little bit washed out here. Looks like at some point somebody had built something to go across here, maybe hold it together, I'm not sure, but it's slowly getting washed out. So I'm just worried about my left tires ending up in this here. I don't know if you can tell how bad that is, but yeah, if I end up with a back tire in there, I might actually, it might still come out, but I might have to winch out if I end up with a tire in there. I might try to build it up too, put some rocks in there just in case I do end up in there. So a little bit of preventative trail building. But yeah, I might end up even putting a Max Trax in there just in case. Build up some rocks and then throw Max Trax on top. But I'm gonna try and keep the left side of the car aligned with this here. I think that's possible. And Ian's gonna spot me. All right, okay, sweetie. So yeah, front, I'm gonna try, so I'll get you to spot me from up there. And I wanna bring my right side up as far as I can this way, pretty much almost up to this tree. And then I'm gonna drop the front right tire in. But what I want you to keep a really close eye on after I do that, after I drop that tire in, is how it looks over here. If it looks like the right left tire is going to come down off of here.
Right left tire.
Yeah, sorry, the right left. The rear, it's an oxymoron. The rear left tire is gonna come off of here. Jason, if you heard that one, you know what I'm talking about, left and right, eh? So yeah, so I want to keep my left tires mainly, but big time the rear left tire out of this hole right here. But we'll build it up quickly and see if we can get through here. All right, cool, let's get at her. All right guys, I think that's enough trail building. I think I'm still gonna stick a max tracks on there just in case, kind of keep the weight evenly across all the rocks rather than just put it on one and then knock that one out of place and knock them all out of place. And then I go sliding in. I think I might actually get the winch ready too.
But now your right is gonna fall soon. Yeah.
I know, that was the plan.
With yet another obstacle behind us, we were looking forward to making camp and having lunch. But it wasn't long before something else stopped us dead in our tracks.
Hey guys, yet another obstacle. A little river crossing here. I gotta cross this thing. The only problem is right there. That big rock to the left. It always seems to be to the left. Why is everything to the left today? It's too narrow to get the Subaru between the right bank and that rock, so I'm gonna have to go over it. The only problem being I'll be able to clear that with my left tire, the left front tire, but then my breakover point isn't high enough, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna come down and get stuck on it with the center of the car, so I'm gonna get high centered on that. So I'm gonna try and build up in front of it and then build up behind it, and maybe put the max tracks on it. Who knows? Might even hook up the winch. I'm not sure, but can't turn around here, so the only way is forward. So that's what we're gonna do. But we might actually just stop for lunch quickly here, eat by this river, and then we'll build the trail and move on forward. All right guys, so we had lunch, did a little bit of trail building here. Basically just got rid of the worst of it there, filled in the hole. So I'm gonna try to stick to my right and see if I can get up that thing. Already found a tree to winch off of just in case. I'm gonna try and go easy. I don't want to tear it down just in case. So if I can get up it without slipping and tearing it apart, I will. If not, then I'm gonna hook up the winch and pull myself up. Maybe put the max tracks under just to take a little bit of the load off. But yeah, let's have at her.
There you go. So now you're on the rock. Okay. We're gonna go on over another rock. Perfect.
How's my passenger side look?
You're pretty close.
Do I need to go that way or can I go straight? I just want to see how much of it moves. Yeah, I'm starting to tear it down. Now the problem is if I tear it down, my rear tire is going to get stuck, so I'm going to win.